Respected teachers and my dear friends, a wonderful morning to one and all. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic Saudi National Day. So, first of all, let me wish you all a very happy Saudi National Day. Saudi National Day is celebrated on September 23rd every year. This day is celebrated to commemorate the renaming of the Kingdom of Najd and Hejaz to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia by a royal decree from King Abdulaziz ibn Saud in 1932. It was made a national holiday by King Abdullah in 2005. The most important symbol in Saudi Arabia is the color of the country's national flag. The kingdom's official flag features a green field with a white Arabic inscription and a sword. The national flag is the main symbol of the country's identity, pride, and history. It provides a sense of what is considered important by the citizens, what values they uphold, and what principles they keep. Saudi National Day is celebrated with folklore dances, traditional festivals, and other cultural activities arranged in all major cities in the kingdom. The roads and buildings are decorated with Saudi flags and people wear green and white dresses. There are also green and white Saudi balloons all around the kingdom. Every year, Saudi Arabia celebrates this day with a significant marker. For instance, celebrations in 2009 focused on the launch of King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, one of the most ambitious educational initiatives in the country. This is a day to celebrate the heritage of Saudi Arabia, to appreciate its culture, and to promote pride in the country and its rich history. All in all, the National Day celebration signifies how far the Saudis have come as a nation and truly provides an excellent opportunity for the younger generation to learn more about their heritage. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Saudi National Day. Thank you.
Friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel, enable the bell icon.
Also, please like, share and comment.